Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. We have noticed it has been over 6 months since we showcased such a house. Today we are in Ruiru, Murera, exactly 2.5 kilometers from Thika Road and exactly 600 meters from the tarmac. I do not know why you guys love similar homes, but I have gotten requests in the past 1 month asking me to do an update of the recent properties. As much as we understand that most of our viewers are in the middle class, it has come to our attention that such properties appreciate very well. In that, if you purchase this house today, there is a bigger possibility that come next year, this property will have appreciated with over 1 million Kenya shillings. Is that not good? Next to me is a 3-bedroom, all-en-suite bungalow with a plinth area of 160 square meters. This home has been built on a 40 by 80 lot and the price is 7.8 million. Before we proceed inside, this home comes with a perimeter wall and on top of it you have a laser wire. On the opposite side, you have an electric alarm or a siren, but that does not warrant you to say that this area is insecure. This estate is just next to Matangi Police Station and this estate contains only 10 units. This home comes with a car parking that would fit more than 3 cars. But if I were you, I would leave this section for my front yard or for my greenery. But I'm not you. Let's get inside. This home comes with this mini foyer that makes the entrance to look very interesting and the house to look bigger. Wow, I like the uniqueness that comes with this living room. But before we get to it, this home comes with a green front door. Who does these things? One thing that you won't forget to notice about this home is that it comes with very high ceilings. That's a unique feature that you'll never ever get in so many bungalows. Another thing to note is that this unit comes with a window that is more than 6 feet long. This window will send maximum natural light to this living area. As you can see, even right now, all the bulbs are off. The contrast of these walls to these ceilings makes this home look very modern and very inviting. These gypsum ceilings have been complemented by the recessed lights on them, this center light, and the side lights. This wall has been set aside to act as the focal point of this living room. That's why you have a set of sockets and intercom here. But this developer thought about the unicorns who would like to have their TV sets on this side. That's why you have a similar setup. Next to me, you have the dining area of this home. This dining area comes with this step, of which I don't think it will be very comfortable, especially if you have small kids. The dining area is big enough though, it will fit a table set of 6 to 10 people. So it will be very comfortable for you if you have the whole clan here. On this other side of the dining area, the room comes with a sizable window that will give you maximum natural light while you're having your breakfast or your lunch. In addition to that, this dining area comes with a sink just for you to clean your hands before you do your meals. Next to this dining area, you have the kitchen of this home. This is a semi-open kitchen and it comes with this counter table that separates the dining area from the kitchen. The kitchen is big enough and it comes with this space that has been set aside for your refrigerator. This door leads to the laundry area and the kitchen garden. But before I take you there, this kitchen comes with a double sink that have a supply of cold and hot water. I know you're wondering how, but this home comes fitted with solar water heaters on the rooftop. The kitchen comes with grey granite countertops that matches very well with the tiling in the kitchen. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. On top of that, the kitchen comes with 3 drawers here for your cutlery and your crockery. Next to me, you have a space that has been set aside for your cooking stove. And one unique feature about the cabinetry of this kitchen is that you have this section that has been set aside for your spices. From here, I'll take you to the bedroom area. Before we get there, I want to apologize for not showing you the kitchen garden and the laundry area. I was hungover and I promised to drink again. Let's continue. This opening gives access to the bedroom area, and on my left hand side, you have the first bedroom. The second bedroom is just next to me, and the primary bedroom is hidden on my far right. This home also comes with a common bathroom that separates the kids' bedrooms from the primary bedroom. I think that's a very well thought idea, and it gives the primary bedroom the privacy it requires. Let me take you to the first bedroom. The first bedroom is of a standard size and I believe it's big enough for your kids. This bedroom comes with its closet here and you have the bathroom on the far end. This closet comes with these two sections for the hangable clothes and you have this space for the shoes. The closet also comes with two drawers down there, and if you haven't noticed, the closet is floor to ceiling. Let me show you the bathroom of this bedroom. The bathroom is not very big, but it's enough for the kids. And it comes with a water closet here, and on the opposite side, you have the showering area. The wash basin of this bathroom is outside. I don't know why, and I don't want to think about it. Let me take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with its bathroom here and the closet on this other side. The closet of this bedroom is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the first bedroom, and it's positioned on the opposite side of the window for easy dressing. This closet comes with these two spaces for the hangable clothes, a space here for the foldable clothes, two drawers down there, and you have extra spaces down here for the shoes. Let me take you to the bathroom of this bedroom. At the entrance of this bathroom, you have a wash basin. This bathroom is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the first bedroom, and it comes with a water closet and all the other showering amenities. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, this is the common toilet. This toilet is sizable enough for a standard bungalow. Let me show you the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is slightly bigger than the second bedroom, and it comes with its bathroom here and its closet next to it. For a bungalow of 160 square meters, I feel that this bedroom would have been made bigger. But the good thing about it is the lighting. I like the amount of light that you get from this window and the separation of this bedroom from the kids' bedroom. The privacy is awesome. I'll not show you the closet because it's just similar to the ones that I showed you in the other bedrooms. But I'll show you the bathroom. This bathroom comes with its water closet here, and the showering area is on this opposite side. That's all for this bathroom. But before we leave, this bathroom also comes with its wash basin here at the entrance. It's a unique feature, but I have not seen it in any other bungalow. We have come to the end of the video and we have an announcement to make. We have decided to join all the other beggars of YouTube. So if you would like to support the production of these videos, you can send your contribution to our TinyPesa or our Patreon account. If that is hard for you, you can join the membership of this channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.